Now, the poem The Song of the Open Road 2.1 Section 2. In that poem, some of the question in last video you will see that expand the idea suggested in the following line. Second we take here, a man without liberty is the body without soul. So man require the liberty, and if there is no liberty, there is in the body there is no soul. So how that expand the idea we can see here. A composition of muscles, bone, and tissue in varying proportions generate the physical form. But what makes us spiritual human being is the soul. The soul is actually make the body whole. Similarly, freedom to make the choice without any restriction is what make a person whole. Without it, we are all mere puppets dancing into someone else's tune. As a social being, we are blazing with the power of the choice to make sound decisions. But the time we impose the rules and restriction upon ourselves to align with the society, consequently, these impositions then govern our lives and keep us from being true to ourselves. They take away our freedoms and confine us in the monotony of tedious routine. However, to lead a sound and happy life, we need to be a free spirit being that we were in the past. We need to have the liberty to follow our heart because without this liberty, our lives are the empty body without us souls. Liberty is freedom to anything for oneself without hurting other people's liberty. We should not use the freedom to just anything we desire. That is not correct. Hence, we must be aware of what is happening to speak against wrong. When there is life, there is mind. When we have the intelligent mind, we should think. Life, liberty, and thoughts, three persons in one substance, external, never ending, and uncreasing. Khalil Garib. So that is what the liberty we discuss here. Now, 2.2 Indians Weaver, written by Sarojini Naidu. This poem are three stages: birth, youth, and death. About that poem, and this presented by three garments weavers weave at three different times of the day. The color of the garment as dyeing, which is being woven great atmosphere and symbolic of each stage. This is particularly the theme of this poem we discussed when we completed that in that lectures. So now the some questions we discuss here in this poem, and that's a right and appreciation of the poem. Beginning even stanza explain and effect create readers write an appreciation of the poem. We start here. About the poet, theme, title, the theme, poetic style, language, device used in the poem, special feature, message, value, moral in the poem, your opinion about the poem. That thing we discuss here. Now about the poem and poet. The poet Sarojini Naidu poems Indian Viewer tells us about work of Indians famous handloom craftsmen. The three stanza marks three stages of life itself. The viewers reply the question about why they are weaving in a particular piece of cloth of the certain colors that the time, the day. The poetic theme. The theme of the cycle is a cycle of life. The weavers use the color association birth, marriage, and death through weaving clothes for the newborn, a queen bride, and dead men. So, poetic style, three stanzas of the poem, each form of the questions and answer, conversational tone given the folk in the life stage moving into the stage, language, poetic device used in the poem. The poem is a metaphor for the cycles of life, new life drawn, marriage, dusk, date, night. Similarly, compare the woven garment, the object, and colors apt for the stage of life. The sound of occurs the total 20 times at the least once in all the lines except one. This alliteration gives musical qualities. So special features message value moral of the poem. The poem is dedicated to talent of weavers and fabric Indian which were world famous. It shows the hard work of craftsmen and how we use their products in every occasion of our life. And message value. This poem is beautifully by of the poets to salute the viewers of India. I find that the viewers are not only the skillful but also talented. They combine the colors and create the pattern that are eyes catching. They know which color that are eyes catching. The poets bring out their talent as well as their hard working. Compose four lines on importance of clothes. Importance of the cloth. Headline given here. Answer. Clothes and coat are the same both? Question mark. No! Exclamation mark. No, says the white silk moth. The shirt that you wear is a cloth, and the yarn that I make you humans use to spin cloth and thence stitch up the cloth. That is some kind of the lines on that particular importance of the cloth. Rhyming scheme of this poem we already seen in the whenever we learn that poem. Rhyming scheme A A B B in third and stanza also A. The rhyme scheme of the third and first, second and third stanza that are the same. Some figures of speech in this poem we can see in here the particular line of third. So here blue as the weaving of the high cloud wild. So in this line has the simile is uses here, and also suppose 7 like a palms of a peacock, purple and green. So like is uses here, that is an example of simile. So white as a feather and white as a cloud. So as is there, that is an example of simile. The next imagery. Weavers weaving up, break of days, the beginning of life, the grey and blue. That is an example of that. So fourth line also. We weave at the robe newborn child. Newborn child, that is an imaginary that gives the cloth. Fifth line also. Weavers weaving at the fall of night, green purple, marriage and family. That is an example. So in first line also the metaphor break of a day. The day is born, newborn child, it is the first day's life, and that is the way. The fifth and eighth and 10 line also have the metaphor, and alliteration. You have to be easier find out the alliteration from this poem also. So there is a question, describe the view of present condition of weaver. तर विण करण्याच्या समस्या सोडवण्याकरता काय सॉरी सो दॅट इज अनदर वन क्वेश्चन. विणकरांच्या विद्यमान स्थितीविषयी तुमचे मत मांडा. Weaving answer. Weaving has existed for thousands of years in India. It was a second only to agriculture. The weavers and fabrics from the various regions were known around the world. From the Bengal Muslim to Kashmiri, Banarasi, and that Kutch silk are clothes from India. We renowned from the quality of fineness and design the richness. Industrialization then brought the problems of them. Power looms are fastens manufacturing large quantity in short time. Fashion house buy fabric from the weavers, but their labels and sale of the cloth very high price and compared to the price paid to the craftsmanship. The craftsmen remain unknown, their craft under the value, and their life in the poverty. Ancient silk are lost and some taken loan, something struggle. When debts are too much, they commit suicide. Master weavers send away son on city and take up job. They do not want to sons to struggle. Parent will not give the girls in the marriage to weavers. Their lack of facility like lightning the water supply. Though government has given the subsidies for weavers, most of the lost bribes and weavers received the negligible sums. So that is the particular condition of that weavers man. Second, describe your own words, step measures that can taken to solve problems of weavers. तर विणकरांच्या समस्या सोडवण्याकरता काय करता येऊ शकतं अशा उपायांचे तुमच्या शब्दात वर्णन करा. Weavers are unorganized. Buyers offer very low price, and if the weavers refuse, they go to another weavers, so the price are the lowest. The government allocated crores for handloom promotions council, but the weavers get nothing. Weavers organized can help the situations. The weavers are focused to sell their creations to design at low rates. No one helped to update weavers of the latest fashion trends. Also, their creation are not commercial advertising. Handlooms industry is economical friendly, and it should be prompted by government design and supported by public. Subsidies for buying yarn dyeing should give the craftsmanship clean water and proper lighting facility need for the craftsmanship. And we can hope the soon craftsmen's handlooms will regain lost glory which they desired. These two questions we discuss here. Thank you.